Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you what if scenario using scenario manager and a data table, both the options in spreadsheet. Okay, so for that I need to open Microsoft Excel. Let me open that. Okay, before starting the practical, we need to learn what is what if feature. What if is a very useful feature of Microsoft Excel. Not only Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet, in other software also it is available. For spreadsheet software, what if scenario is a very useful feature where what we can do. Again I am repeating one thing, that if that things that we are doing now, consolidation like subtotal, what if, all these things will be using for financial management. Okay, so here what if scenario is specially used for financial management, and what we can do here, for multiple inputs we can get multiple outcomes. Okay, just we can create some scenario. For example, suppose I have one shop where I am selling different products like pen, like pencil, like book. For each and every product, each and different kind of SP, CP and units are there. So but when I am calculating the profit, the formula is same. So it is better not to repeat the same formula again and again for each and every product of my shop. I can use the what if scenario where I will be giving some, I will be changing the input values like CP, SP and unit, and I will get the output. Let's do it. Before that I need to just put some records like a scenario I will be creating. Here I am writing first CP, then I am writing 0. All the values you can set as 0, another value also you can take. It is a standard table that I am going to make here. You can understand gradually. Next I am writing SP, and thirdly I am writing units. Okay, and these all are input. CP, SP and units all are input. If you think properly you can understand. And the lastly I am writing profit. Profit will be the output, because profit we will be calculating using a formula, and CP, SP, CP is the cost price, selling price, and unit, I mean how many amount, how many quantity we have just sold, how many quantities are there. Okay, how many items that will be there in the unit. Okay, so these are the things. So let me put some values. All I am taking 0. Okay, in the profit sale actually you need to use the formula. So in the class I explained you, again I am telling you what is the formula of profit, SP minus CP, and if the unit is there, that means the quantity sold, if it is there, then you need to multiply it. So what will be the formula? Give equal to, then by using the cell reference you have to do that. Click on the units, into first bracket open, click on the SP minus, click on the CP. That going to be the formula of profit, and here you need to use the formula only. Do not type it manually. Some student can ask me, ma'am, here we have written 0, so directly we can write 0. 0 is not only a value here. We will be using the formula so that for another input, when we will be taking the input properly, the input CP, SP and unit, that time we will get the output in the profit cell. Okay, now I am coming to the data tab. Here is the data tab, we all can see, we all know, and here in the data tools group, please note it, data tools group, we have the option what if analysis. We will be clicking here 3 tools, we will get the what if analysis feature. The first one we will be clicking here, that is scenario manager. Okay, this one is the scenario. Now scenario manager box, look properly, here is the option for adding scenario. Click on that, give the name, suppose the first product that I am going to sell, that is pen. Okay, and by changing the sale, what are the input values here? Again I am repeating, CP, SP and units are the unit value, input value, as because when I am changing the product name, pen, pencil, eraser, book, notebook, for different objects, different SP, CP and units will be there, and depending on the SP, CP and the unit we will get the profit. So obviously the input values are CP, SP and unit. Okay, so here the changing the cell meanings the input value that will be changing product to product that I have selected already. Now I will be clicking on OK. Okay, now look, this box will be coming, that is called the scenario values box. Here one by one I am going to give some value. So remember, I have created the scenario 1, that is pen. For pen, the first box number 1 will be the CP. So I am giving the cost price is 5. Okay, for pen suppose I am giving the cost price 15 and the selling price I am giving like 20, and how many amount I have sold that day, so that I am giving 10 and I am adding it by using the add command. Next scenario, suppose I am giving a book. Next scenario is book. Again I am going to change the sale value. Note one thing, some sale value automatically they will take, but do not use that. You have to use the absolute reference. Once you select the range of the sale that going to be changed, it will take automatically, and you can see dollar sign is there, so absolute value, absolute sale reference will be taken. Click on OK. Give some values for book. Suppose the CP, I mean the cost price is 200. I am selling the book in my shop at rupees 250, and how many amount I have sold today, suppose it is 15 books I have sold. So let me click on OK. Now you can see a list of scenarios that I have created here. So I am clicking on pen, scenario name and show, and kindly look here, you can see the CP of the pen is 15, SP is 20, units sold is 10, so my profit is 50. If you click on the book scenario and click on show, you can see the values will be changed, and you can see the values that you have inserted in the scenario values box. So like that, I hope you understood now. Like that, product wise you can change the input values like CP, SP and unit, and you will get the output just by clicking on that. So that is very useful feature of scenario management. Okay, scenario manager, or what I can say, what if scenario. Okay, next the same thing, exactly the same thing we will be doing using the data table option. So for that, what we need to do here, click any cell, click on any cell, give equal to, and the output, that is the profit, click on that. Do not copy and paste it, do not write 750 directly, just by using this formula equal to and press on the, click on the output cell and press on enter. Okay, now here what I am going to do, just below the profit I will be writing some different unit values. Look here, I have written 15, so I am writing now 20. If I have sold 20 values, 20 products, then 30, then 40. Okay, like that I will be writing some unit amount, and here just the right side of 750 I will be writing some SP value, different SP value. For different unit, different SP, I will get different profit also. That we are going to do here. Okay, here we will be getting the output in a table format. So different SP I am giving in the standard table. Here you can see 250 already I have given. So I am giving like that 300, 350, 400 and 400, 450, that's it. Okay, now I will be selecting the entire range like that. Again I have to go to the data tab, and here in the what if analysis tool I will be clicking on the data table option. Once I click on that, they are asking for row input cell. If you remember, just now I told you according to the row I have written some different SP value. So here I will be clicking on 250, that is a standard SP value. And secondly, column input, if you remember, then you can understand according to the column I have written some unit value. So here I will be clicking on the standard unit value, that is on 15. So click on OK. Now you can see for different input and for different SP and for different units, different profits I have got, and it is obviously in a table format. So it is called the data table. This one is the profit, this one are the units, and this one are the different SP values. From here to here we have got so many profits for different inputs. Okay, so that is the thing, data table and what if scenario both we have done. In next video I will explain you the goal seek and solver. That's it for today. Thank you all.